Introducing the latest addition to our pick-and-place family, the Neoden N10P. Based on the original Neoden 10, the N10P takes an already proven and stable design and adds a number of key new features. The N10P now supports a larger feeder capacity of up to 80 tape feeders, 20 vibration feeders, and 60 matrix tray feeders. New features include a push-up table to reduce PCB flex, 39 possible nozzle positions, automatic nozzle calibration, and an enhanced vision component recognition system. A dynamic trash position for handling mispicked components reduces material waste, and in addition, nozzle air pressure measurement reduces mispicks and tombstoning to help prevent potential damage, reducing the potential for rework. Every movement is precise. The placement head is equipped with 8 independent nozzles for simultaneous component pickup and can achieve a maximum speed of 20,000 components per hour. Incredibly adaptable, the N10P supports PCBs up to 1,500 millimeters long with the optional extension conveyor. An intuitive user interface makes programming and production simple. Equipped with front and rear feeder bank cameras, the N10P includes 2 4th-generation high-speed flying camera recognition systems for precise flying shots and high-accuracy component recognition. Make changes mid-run, and receive feedback from the vision system in real time. From prototypes to production, the N10P is engineered to meet your needs. Precision, performance, productivity. Experience the Neoden N10P, where cutting-edge technology meets unmatched reliability.